It's now time for the changing weather.
I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. All right, this is the changing weather. What is going on? Let's take a look at the Ring of Fire. If you look at our satellite picture right now, you can see pretty much the Ring of Fire. There's a disturbance that's formed near New Orleans, moving into the Gulf of Mexico, that's going to track west. There's a disturbance in Texas. There's one in Oklahoma, and they're all rotating around the anticyclone, which I'll show you right now. What is the Ring of Fire? Well, first of all, let's talk about the jet stream. The jet stream during the winter is much stronger and farther south. The jet stream is caused, the core of winds aloft up to 200 miles per hour or so, way up high, 25, 35,000 feet above us. It's caused by temperature contrast. And here it's minus 50 during the winter up in Canada, 90 down near Mexico. We have 140 degrees of contrast. The jet stream is stronger, the storm systems are stronger, and we have winter. During the summer, the temperature contrast is weaker, just 70 to 110 or 40 degree contrast. So that weakens the jet stream, it's farther north. But the weather pattern is cycling and it's still there. So as the jet stream retreats, the pattern continues to cycle, but the heat builds over the southwest. Heat builds over the land during the summer, and the land cools during the winter more than the oceans do. The differential heating causes all kinds of interesting factors. But the heat builds, and if there was no LRC, if there was no second pattern, this would just get bigger and bigger and bigger. But there is an LRC, and these anticyclones move depending on what the DNA of the atmosphere, the LRC, decides and shows and predicts months in advance. But here are these disturbances rotating around what's called the Ring of Fire. And as I just showed you on the satellite picture, that's what's going on right now. And then the jet stream's interacting with it. We still have severe thunderstorm setups. This is the forecast for Friday, July 25th. Disturbance 1, disturbance 2, 3. These two disturbances are rotating around the anticyclone. Colorado's about to have some heavy thunderstorms. The monsoon's coming into the southwestern part of the country. But these are the ridge riders, and look what happens by next Tuesday. The upper high gets stronger, and the ridge riders, or the Ring of Fire, will have thunderstorm complexes rotating around it. One of those disturbances is heading towards Kansas City the next couple of days. In fact, look at what the models show. The European model last night, you see this? That yellow color there, that is, we're talking 12 inches of rain. 10, 12 inches of rain right in that one spot that's been getting it lately. Look at that, eastern Kansas. This is what the European model shows, and you can see the Ring of Fire. Not much rain over Texas and Oklahoma, and there's the Ring of Fire with these thunderstorm complexes rotating around. The American model, not as much, but still, that's 5, 6 inches of rain over northwest Missouri. All right. The European AI model has a whole bunch of rain across Kansas into Missouri and Iowa. So that Ring of Fire is going to be lighting up with thunderstorms. So this is the changing weather. I'm going to go get the dogs. Let me know if you have any questions. And join our Substack, our Weather 2020 Intelligence Report. It's weather2020.substack.com. It's less than $1 a day, and it is worth it. Between now and a year from now, you will learn about the LRC, the cycling weather pattern. We have the crystal ball of weather prediction. What's going to happen in the tropics? That'll be in our report coming up this weekend. We'll predict when and where hurricanes are going to make landfall this year. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching The Changing Weather.